PavoTube T8 7X is an RGB WW tube light with pixel control from Nanlite that has been developed and designed based on the demands of end users. Packed with a ton of features, the tube is so lightweight and compact, which can give users total freedom to create colourful lighting effects while enjoying the agility and convenience it brings. PavoTube T8 7X can also unlock more possibilities for creators with its wide CCT range, marvellous pixel effects and abundant scenario applications. Now we will demonstrate the PavoTube T8 7X's functions and basic operations. Firstly, there are 3 buttons on the fixture body for onboard control. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to switch on and off the fixture. The indicator on the lower right corner will be constantly on when the fixture is operating normally. The dim button can offer intensity adjustments in 5-step increments for the fixture. The CCT hue button offers both CCT and hue adjustments. Short press the power button to switch between CCT and hue mode. In CCT mode, the CCT hue button offers CCT adjustments in 6 steps. In hue mode, the CCT hue button offers hue adjustments in 12 steps. All parameters from the tube's last usage will be run when switched on again after being switched off. Long press the 3 buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to reset the Bluetooth. When the Bluetooth reset is complete, the tube will flash in a breathing motion for 3 seconds. If the fixture ever gets stuck, simply push the reset button to shut the fixture down and reset it. In contrast to onboard control, the wire controller can expand the control options much further for the fixture. Switch on the fixture first. Then plug in the Type-C connection cable. Switch on the wire controller. It will indicate a successful connection if the display shows the operation interface for the fixture. The wire controller incorporates 4 buttons for scrolling through modes and setting parameters. Press the mode button to switch modes or menu. Press the switch button to scroll through different selections under different modes. Press the minus or plus buttons to adjust the selected parameter in a stepless fashion. Long press for fast tuning. GM adjustments are possible under CCT mode. Color saturation adjustment is possible under hue mode. Adjustments to the 15 practical effects and 7 pixel effects can be found under their respective menus. Furthermore, controls for other functions are possible under the menu interface. For instance, channel, Bluetooth, reset, DMX setting. Info check-in. Press the plus button to show the battery level and the firmware version of the fixture. Press the switch button to return to the main interface. You also have language options and the firmware version of the wire controller. Let's move to the app control demonstration. Open the Nanlite app and create a scene to add a fixture. Tap to enter the scene. The battery level of the fixture is shown in the interface. Fixtures can be switched on and off by tapping one button. Tap more to rename, reset and change the address. CCT, hue, effects and pixel effects adjustments are possible via the Nanlite app. All controls depend on the options provided by the app itself. Apart from the common adjustments, more control options are included through the app. Delays in switch on and off can offer a fade in and fade out effect. Delays can be set in seconds to switch on and switch off the fixture. Hue adjustment can be done on the colour wheel and can also pick a colour via the camera. Effect and Pixel Effect mode can provide adjustment for various advanced effects that will bring your work to life. Add individual fixtures into a group. Enter into the group. You can set effects for the whole group. Set parameters according to your shooting requirements. Tap the top right corner in Group Pixel Effect mode. Tap the group mode to switch between parallel and series connection modes. More parameter settings are also possible in Group Effect mode. For example, the repeat mode, display sequence, etc. can unlock more possibilities in lighting effects to satisfy many shooting scenarios. Now to demonstrate how to upgrade the firmware on PavoTube T8 7X, which can be done on board or via the wire controller. To upgrade the firmware on board the fixture, you need to switch off the fixture first. Switch on after plugging in the USB drive with the update firmware. Press the dim and CCT hue buttons simultaneously. Hold for 3 seconds. The tube will flash blue during the update. And then it will flash green. The firmware update will be complete when it goes back to the status before the update began. To update the firmware via the wire controller, switch off both the fixture and the controller first. Connect the fixture with the controller using Type-C connection cable. Plug in the USB flash drive with the update firmware on the controller. Select Firmware Update. Press the plus button to initiate the update. The tube will flash blue while updating is in progress. Then it will flash green. The update will be complete when it returns to the status before the update started. Possible causes for update failure might be low battery or misoperation. In this case, check the battery level and restart the update when fully charged. Now to demonstrate the firmware update for the wire controller itself. Ensure the controller is switched off. After plugging in the USB flash drive with the update firmware on, switch on the controller. To locate the firmware update, select Update and press the plus button to start. When the display prompts Firmware Update Complete, it indicates that the update has been succeeded. A Type-C connection is supplied. The fixture can be powered by connecting DC adapters directly or via a power bank. The tube also has a built-in lithium battery for mobile lighting. A lithium battery has also been built into the wire controller. The fixture can also be charged by the controller when switched off. The fixture can also be charged by connecting the adapter via Type-C connection cable when switched off. Multiple charging methods are available. You can judge the fixture status by checking the indicator. Now let's demonstrate the accessory installation and application scenarios. Nanlite designs a floor stand for T8 tube lights. We can use it to attach to the 7X so that users can set it everywhere they want. T8 7X can plug in Type-C connection cable to power it during use. It can also connect to DMX console via the DMX cable splitter. Attach the hand strap to the quarter mount to hang the fixture as you desire.